I thought it was my makeup. Turns out it was actually my skin prep. I was so excited to receive this Bare LUMIÈRE Skin Barrier Repair Cream from Provence Beauty. And what makes it unique is that it's designed to do multiple things in one step. It's a 5-in-1 moisturizer formulated with ingredients like ectoin, encapsulated probiotics, and aloe vera. The focus is on hydration, supporting my skin barrier and creating a smooth base for makeup. The texture is one of the favorite things about it. It's lightweight, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave behind a greasy finish. My skin feels really hydrated and comfortable, but not heavy. I also like the finish it gives. It has that healthy, your skin but better look that, makes the skin appear fresh and well moisturized. Another thing I appreciate is that it layers really well under my makeup. I haven't noticed any pilling, patchiness, or that heavy feeling that, some richer creams can leave behind. The packaging is thoughtful too. It includes a metal key so you can, roll up the tube and use every last bit of the product. So if you're looking for a good moisturizer, definitely recommend this one.